Finblox pricing explained what you get for your money. Finblox is a crypto-focused investment platform designed for buying, selling, and earning yield on digital assets. Many assume crypto apps carry hidden or high fees, but Finblox maintains transparency. The app is free to download, and deposits have no fees. Trading fees are 0.50% per transaction, and there are no monthly account charges. Premium subscriptions for enhanced features like portfolio analytics, staking automation, and tax reporting cost per month or annually. Withdrawals may incur blockchain network fees, but these are standard across crypto platforms. Most people get this wrong by assuming high-tech platforms are overly complicated. The surprising truth is that Finblox interface is intuitive, letting even beginners invest and track performance efficiently. For example, staking 0 in selected crypto assets can generate consistent yield while the app automatically manages reinvestment. In conclusion, Finblox offers transparent pricing, simple trading, and smart automation tools. For both new and seasoned crypto investors, the app balances cost-effectiveness with advanced functionality.